Good evening, friends. Now we are observing here one more notification of Government of India, Ministry of Defence, Headquarters, Army War College, Move, Madhya Pradesh. It is. This is an employment notice. They are offering for the post of stenographer grade 2 of Group C. There is only one vacancy. That too, this is for unreserved category, unreserved candidates. Anyone can apply. To apply for this, just you have to type the application form on a plain sheet, or on plain sheet also you have to write handwritten mode in neat manner. Okay, after writing, after completion of your application, after filling of your application, just you enclose all the documents, self attested documents, along with the self addressed registered envelope. For this self addressed cover, just you have to paste the required stamps to get your hall ticket in future. Okay, and the field application should be sent to the presiding officer, civilian, direct recruitment, scrutiny of applications, board, senior command wing, Army War College, Mou, Madhya Pradesh, 453441. This is the address. Next, educational qualifications for stenographer. You see, 12th class. This is nothing but equal to intermediate, and also 10 minutes capability to write at the rate of 80 words per minute. This is nothing but English lower grade qualification. And after taking the dictation for 10 minutes, you have to write transcription on computer within 50 minutes of time, that is. And after that, age limit for this post is 18 to 25 years, and it is the age is relaxable for SC/ST for 5 years, and for OBC 3 years, and for disabled candidates 10 years, that is general, and for which fees only 50 rupees is there to apply. The mode is crossed Indian postal order or demand draft in favor of the commandant, Army War College, MOVA. Okay, that is the case. And one recent passport size photograph should be pasted the space provided there, and two additional photos are attached for this application, and closing date is 45 days from the date of publication. That means you have good time to apply, but you don't delay to apply, just to make it fast accordingly. And the scheme of examination, as usually, first is written test, after that skill test and typing test accordingly. And the syllabus is paper 1, 2, 3, 4. Paper 1 is general intelligence and reasoning, paper 2 general awareness, paper 3 general English, paper 4 numerical aptitude. These are all multiple choice type questions. The duration of examination is 2 hours. Syllabus of examination, just you go through, just you open the site, and just you see and read in detailed way. Date of examinations will be intimated to the eligible candidates later on. You will get an information afterwards. It is, these are all general instructions. Okay, the candidates must clearly superscribe whenever you are sending an application. On the top envelope, just you have to write as application for the post of stenographer grade 2, just you write like that. And these are all general instructions. Okay, center for written examination will be Mou, Madhya Pradesh only. Okay, there is no any additional center. There is only one center, that is Mou, Madhya Pradesh. To write an examination, just you have to go there. That is. And the documents to be attached with the application. All the documents, all the required documents, you have to submit it with the self-attested copies along with your photographs and demand draft for rupees 50, and also just to enclose a self-addressed envelope along with the postal stamps, my dear friends. You don't forget that. These are all general instructions only. Just you're observing here, this is a pro forma of application. Nothing but application format it is. Just you open it and just to type it in separate way or handwritten. Just to write separately and just to download it and just to apply for this. Okay, these are all general instructions. These are all general. Okay, that's it, my dear friends. Okay, there is a stenographer grade 2 vacancy is there to apply from Army War College, Mau, Madhya Pradesh. This is unreserved post. Unreserved post. It is anybody can apply for this. So there is 45 days of time to apply, but you don't get a delay to apply for this. Just you apply as early as possible. Anyway, thank you very much. Just I'm sharing this information to you to apply as early as possible. Anyway, all the best, my dear friends. Thank you.